Hello everyone, this is Dr. Shishma Sarila, consulting homeopath at Fidicus Homeopathy. Now coming to how adrenal PCOS affects menstruation and what is the tests that have to be done for adrenal PCOS to be diagnosed. Remember that although in normal PCOS we do have fertility issues, the adrenal PCOS, the fertility issue mainly arises because of we have anovulator cycles in PCOS, right? So that is the main category or that is the main reason why many people do not get pregnant during their PCOS problem. But in adrenal PCOS, the problem behind the infertility or the problem behind not being conceived is that the periods are not regulated, so they are very irregular in nature. Sometimes it's prolonged bleeding, sometimes the bleeding is not there at all, and sometimes the cycle is so far from that, is so delayed and so late that you do not know when the ovum is being released and when you have to get together to have this fertilization take place, right? So the problem here is the irregular and the prolonged or the delayed period. Sometimes the period issues and the timings are the problem here. But if you are someone who can get tests done every now and then and you can monitor yourself, then fertility might not be a problematic issue in adrenal PCOS if your stress is under control, because this is some kind of a disease which comes under control with medication and with taking away the trigger, which is chronic stress, right? So how do you differentiate based on tests the PCOS and adrenal PCOS? For example, if you're someone who's experiencing irregular periods, you have to first get your USG abdomen and pelvis done. And if there is no problem in USG and abdomen, the next one is hormone profile. If there is no problem even in the hormone profile, then you have to go for a test called as DHEA. DHEA / or hyphen S sulfate test. DHEA sulfate test is a serum marker. You have to get this test done, and the level is too much. That means it depicts adrenal PCOS, and the trigger, which is chronic stress, has to be removed, and this condition will be reversed back, right? So these are some of the tests and how it affects the menstruation and fertility as well. If you're someone who's suffering from PCOS or any other female reproductive organ diseases, Fidicus Homeopathy is the answer. Here we have two kinds of consultation options. One is online and the one is offline or in-person consultation. If you're someone who's staying away from us or far away from us, you can contact us online either through audio consultation option or through the video consultation option. And if you're someone who's staying nearby the nearest branch of Fidicus, you can contact us in person. After the doctor consultation and the investigations after being verified, and then after taking case, especially to the online clients, medicines will be door delivered to you. If you're staying in India, it can take 3 to 4 business days, USA 3 to 5 business days, across the globe, anywhere it can take 4 to 8 business days for our medicines to reach your doorstep. If you would like to get in touch with us, you can call us on this number, WhatsApp us or message us. And if you would like to know more about Fidicus Homeopathy, you can check our website www.fidicus.com. Here we have discussed why homeopathy is the best choice for PCOS or any lifestyle disorders as such. Here we will be discussing how Fidicus Homeopathy is the best choice of your cleaning. See, Fidicus Homeopathy stands on principles. It stands on highest chance of health. Here we are experiencing high success rate in people who have already suffered with PCOS, PCOD, endometriosis, adenomyosis, bulky uterus, fibroids, dysmenorrhea and other female reproductive organ diseases. And second thing is that the treatment that we give here is transparent. That is, there is no gray area between the patient and the doctor. The prognosis will be clearly explained to you. And the third thing is the personal care. Here at Fidicus Homeopathy is top notch, because we will be answering all of your queries and your questions, and we'll be busting all your myths. We will be educating you on your condition, on what to eat, what to not eat, what to do with the condition. So if you want to choose cure, if you want to choose health, choose Fidicus Homeopathy. Thank you.
Fidicus Homeopathy.